Quite frankly, kaya siguro marami pa rin ngayon nalilito kung paano magsimula mag-work from home is that you are consuming so much contents online. So tumigil ka muna sa video na to and let me show you how. Tanong dito ni Mi, how to start po. Until now, naguguluhan pa rin ako kung saan magsisimula. And kung nag-aaral ka pa lang or you're kind of considering na paano nga ba makapag-transition, paano magsimulang magtrabaho sa bahay, paano kumita as a virtual assistant, your very first stop should be, if you go to my page, makikita mo naka-feature to, i-click mo yan, lahat ng guides nandyan na. As in, iisa-isahin mo na lang, tsatsagain mo lang talaga. Also, I mentioned here, sabi ko kung gusto mo ng comprehensive, nandyan, mahaba yan. Also, meron ditong interview questions, and nandito rin na-mention ko rin yung GigHub natin. Pero kung nandito ka sa TikTok, pumunta ka lang dito sa link sa bio ko. I-click mo yan. It will take you to the GigHub, and I always say na dito ka magsimula. Lahat ng kailangan mo para makapagsimula na mag-start na mag-work from home nandito na. Kung di ka pa interesado mag-enroll sa live classes, okay lang yan, skip mo yan, scroll mo lang pataas. Kasi ito, ipapakita muna namin dyan, syempre, ano yung mga classes na pwede kang mag-join para in case na alam mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo. Kung hindi pa, that is okay. I also have my website recommendations, app recommendations here, but I wanna bring your attention to free resources. Meron tayong tinatawag dito na roadmap, pwede mong i-take yun. Meron tayong 364-day challenge, pwede mong i-click yun. Or you can click here. It will take you to the main page of the website. Marami ditong free courses. Like if you want to learn how to start doing social media marketing, graphics design, meron din tayo ditong application book. So yung pag hindi magaling mag-English, mag-language training ka, you just have to be resourceful. My recommendation would be for you to stop consuming as many contents muna. Simulan mo muna doon sa mga contents namin. And then, kapag alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo talagang i-offer na service as a virtual assistant, then mas targeted na yung pag-consume mo ng contents. Mas maiiwasan natin yung pag-overthink. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!